Muhano wa laboratory no iria ingithamathamio kuma handu hamwe nginyagia hau hangi yonanitio kuri anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa uthondeki wa mutaratara wa githomo aria magomanite mwena wa Naivasha na niyo athondeki a indo cia science marendekithia macukuru-ini makiria ma muingi kwambiriria kugura niguo ihuthike ni arutwo makiria a grade 9 thiini wa mathomo ma science gugithingatwo ati guthondeka laboratory cia kĩrĩũ macukuru-ini kuri na thogora wa iguru ino ikenderio mashukuru na thogora wa shiringi 70,000.
Generally, construction of a four-walled laboratory and equipping it is quite some good money, and what we're providing is a step-gap measure, a kit which is more affordable. So we may be providing a science kit at 70,000 Kenya shillings, where a teacher can use the same to teach instead of putting up a laboratory. It takes long to put up a laboratory. First you do the construction of the wall, then you equip the necessary requirements.
The kits should stimulate interest of the learners. They should enhance experiential activities, practicality. They should be made in such a way that promote learner-centered pedagogy, and that they should also demonstrate values, especially the value of care for the kids, from the environment and the other learners that will use this.
Ruhonge rwa gũthondeka mutaratara wa githomo rwa KICD rugite kuma mutaratara wa githomo hugukire mubango wa CBC cukuru cia muingi ikoretwo ihinyiririkiire guoka ni mathomo marabatara laboratory kuona nyingi itikinyaniirie waki kuria laboratory ici cia thogora wa thi cia junior secondary igukorwo irikite gwakwo mbere ya mwaka guthira nacio cia grade 10 ikurika gugikinyiria mweri wa 4 mwaka ukite.
And I believe that every school should take at least some learners in every pathway. They should also be thinking about infrastructure to enhance the practicality that these children have been exposed to. But thirdly, and probably more importantly, to start orientating themselves towards learner-based pedagogy.
Makinya maya mokite oriri thirikari iraniire gwaka irathi 16,000 cia arutwo a junior secondary thiini wa cukuru cia muthingi na kwandika arutani 86,000. Ngiribotera Inoro TV njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.